Now we will learn to read more words with long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Let's take a look at the first board. C-A-R-E. C-A-R. And remember, letter E is silent. Care. Care has a long vowel sound. Let's take a look at the next board. C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. Car has a short vowel sound. Let's turn to the next slide. This next slide is letter I. These are the words that begin with letter I. Ice is I, as in ice cream. Where's the ice cream? Ice cream begins with long vowel sound. Ice is I, as in ice cubes. Ice cubes begins with long vowel sound. Ice is I, as in igloo. Igloo begins with short vowel sound. I said E as in iguana. What's the iguana? Iguana begins with short vowel sound. I says E as in ink. Where's the ink? Ink begins with short vowel sound. I says I as in island. Where's the island? Island begins with long vowel sound. Now, let me read them to you. Repeat after me. Ice cream. Ice cubes. Igloo. Iguana. Ink. Island. Very good. Ice cream, 2 words. Ice cubes, 2 words. Now, this is segmenting and blending for beginning readers and English learners. The ability to learn these 2 important skills is a must. Iguana, igloo, island. Now, segmenting involves breaking words down into individual sounds or syllables. Phoneme segmentation helps in developing readers and learners, their reading and speaking skills. Now, blending involves pulling together individual sounds and syllables to make words. It helps learners to decode unfamiliar words using letter sound patterns and reading. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow my next lesson. High five. Great job. Thumbs up.